The Binondo Church in Chinatown, Ongpin. It's a Sunday, October 6th. We're crossing and that's Ongpin there, the real Chinatown.
Harvey, Denise is still there. What? Denise is still there.
What about Mark?
I don't know what about that.
Yan na. How did you get the amount of square per meter down to the real estate like 200,000
This is your iPhone. It's Ongpin, it's one way. Evidence yan eh.
What?
Pag binangga ka, evidence.
Nakakawin naman sa'yo. They're always the first to arrive.
Yeah,
Wait, what's this?
the rock, that's their food.
Kala mo, kala mo tayong chick. Kala mo tayong chick.
They were walking on.
Jen.
Eh, mga tourist eh.
Chen. Look at that. All the different kinds of beer.
There.
Alcohol.
Look at that sheep.
Ignacio, all kinds of alcohol.
It's 6,200. How much is that? Divided by 43.
See, you get a free umbrella for every 2 bottles.
Ito, buffet. This is Chinatown in Metro Manila, folks. The original Chinatown in Ongpin, Manila.
That's it. Mooncake.
Mooncake. Magsawa ka sa mooncake.
That's it. Ube siopa oh.
Thank you, Shaky.
This is the biggest mooncake. Biggest mooncake. Totoo ba yan?
Nakakain niya, miss?
Yes, sir.
Magtatay ka lang pag inubos mo lahat yan.
The biggest.
Biggest mooncake in Asia. The biggest in the Philippines. 75 inches mooncake.
Try pa-taste. May pa-taste.
It's smallest in the Philippines.
Yung mochi ball.
Bye-bye.
I bet you Ignacio is saying, what are these people doing here?